Good evening. I'm First Alert meteorologist Michael Ottavino. What a beautiful start to the weekend we had today. We saw temperatures into the 70s. I have even warmer temperatures for your Sunday. How's 80 to start the work week by Monday? Looking outside right now, things are pretty quiet. Let's take a look into tomorrow. It may not be the brightest of Super Bowl Sundays, but the biggest thing is we're dry and mild, and it'll be great for any outdoor plans. When you wake up tomorrow morning, it's a mild start. I mean, we'll already be at 56 degrees by 8 o'clock, middle 60s by midday. So here's what I have in store. We're cloudy and warm for Super Bowl Sunday. It's warmer than today. Wouldn't be surprised if a few areas reach the 80-degree mark. If we didn't have all the clouds outside, I think all of us would be into the 80s. We're even warmer by Monday. We'll see the 80s return to DFW, and then we have two opportunities for rain as we move ahead into next week. So overall, expecting rain to finally return to the forecast as we move into about the Tuesday time frame. The second opportunity for some rain will build in as we move mainly into about the Friday and into the Saturday time frame. So let's talk temperatures. Notice we have temperatures around the 80-degree mark by Monday, 75 on Tuesday, 73 by Wednesday, 82 by Thursday before we see falling temperatures by the second half of the week, and that's when we see our rain chances rise up once again. As of right now, the rain chance on Tuesday doesn't look to be as promising as the one on Friday. I think that'll be our opportunity to see a decent amount of rain by the Friday time frame, and by decent, I mean potentially over about a half an inch. The rain will be much needed across the area. Take a look at this. We're abnormally dry for most locations, to even seeing severe drought conditions out to areas out to the northeast, to even extreme drought conditions as well. So nonetheless, the rain is much needed, especially into portions of South Texas where all of them are seeing severe drought conditions. So as we move into about the middle half of the week, we will start to see those rain opportunities build in. And let's time it out for you as we move into about the Tuesday time frame. Notice by Tuesday evening, we have a Baja low building in. What does that mean? It's an area of low pressure that originates from Baja California, so Southern California, builds in. That'll be our first rain chance as we move ahead into late Tuesday, and then fast forward into the Friday evening time frame, we start to see our rain chances increase. And again, this will be our better opportunity to potentially pick up greater than the half an inch. So notice from now until about Wednesday, we have a lighter shade of green. This pretty much indicates less than about a tenth of an inch of rain will be expected. But watch what happens when I put it into the second half of Friday. We start to see those brighter shades of green to even those areas where we see blue. Portions of North Texas, or at least portions of the Metroplex, could pick up to about a half an inch of rain, which will be great. And that doesn't include what will fall for Friday night into the Saturday time frame, which of course will be much needed across our area. So as we move ahead into your forecast for tonight, we are on the milder side compared to what we saw outside this morning. Low temperatures tonight will be mainly into about those 50s area wide. Some of us will be a little bit cooler into those 40s. And then looking ahead to your Super Bowl Sunday, temperatures going to be into those middle to upper 70s. We see a lot of clouds outside. Areas out to the west will be into the 80s, 84 in Breckenridge. How's that for the second week of February? 82 into Graham, middle to upper 70s for other locations. It's also a great day to head out to the Dallas Open as we move ahead into Sunday to close off the weekend. Your First Alert 7-day forecast, near 80 for Sunday. We get to the 80-degree mark by Monday. It'll be a brighter day. Some rain chances for your Tuesday, and then we do see our next chance for rain building in as we move ahead for Friday into Saturday. Over to you, Steve.